Me to leave? Can I get your card,
I'm asking
please?
you to leave.
Can I get your card, please?
I'm asking you to leave.
Yeah, so I'm offended that I need their cards, please. You just offended the fuck out of me, accusing me of drinking.
Okay.
Everybody's drinking.
You're inciting. You're doing this for a reason. You're inciting people to do this. Okay?
Inciting?
Yes, that's what you're doing. Recording everyone.
Get away. Get away.
I'm just start recording you. How about that?
I don't care. Get away.
Which court order is that?
All right, so
Which court order is that?
there's no court order saying we can't record.
There's a law that says we can, and I'm waiting for her business
Court
card.
order is a stay of.
They say, you get out of my face, you go do what you want to do. And that guy wants to be a jerk and a snitch. Snitch on the First Amendment. I wonder what George Washington, I wonder what Rosa Parks, I wonder what Martin Luther King.
The documentary opens with a tense confrontation as a citizen calmly asks officers a simple question. What law says I can't record? Instead of receiving a legal explanation, he is met with commands to leave and accusations that his camera is provoking others. The narrator frames this as a familiar pattern, where internal policies are treated as if they override constitutional protections. Viewers are reminded that peaceful observation is not a crime and that recording from public spaces is generally protected activity. The introduction builds suspense by contrasting lawful behavior with escalating official reactions, encouraging the audience to examine every encounter carefully rather than accept authority at face value. It also establishes the documentary's central theme. Constitutional rights are only meaningful when ordinary citizens are willing to exercise and defend them, even during uncomfortable confrontations.
This police officer just came rushing for this call. Let's go back so he won't be driving around looking for me. I bet you he'll park illegally right here on the side of the road. Whoop.
Didn't we talk at Central Station?
We sure did. You were very nice.
So what's going on today?
Just videotaping from public. Postal Service guy wants to tell me to turn off my camera.
Yeah, let's just talk it.
You guys both don't surround me so I can get a clear picture?
Don't tell us what to do. Right? We'll do
Okay.
what we want to do, okay?
All right, me too. Me too.
All right, listen to me, okay? I do not want you going inside the pocket that's private property.
I know that.
So why were you in there?
I wasn't in there. I got video proof.
So where are you going now?
I'm just walking, taking pictures.
Did you talk to the guy? Did you talk to the postal guy?
They approached me. He said, turn your camera off. What's his problem?
Because you just don't understand. They don't know who you are.
And I don't know who they are.
Yes,
So they don't need to tell me what to do.
They're not telling you what to do, okay? The problem is they don't know. It could be some crazy nut that just decides.
Their fears don't impede my rights.
Well, some they do.
No, they don't. They can think whatever they want in their head. Does that even matter?
I'm just asking.
I live in the United States. We all exercise our rights here.
We're here if you want to provide.
Interesting.
What's that? shot and you take that left on. Michelle, what's the name of the street?
This is Westwood.
You take a left right on Westwood.
Hey, let me tell you something. Are you aware of the Homeland Security?
You already told me about that. I can't find it.
You can't find it? Where did you look at? I didn't talk to you yesterday.
A couple of weeks ago, we talked about that.
Well, you swear that you were going to protect the Constitution of the United States. Do you know that we have freedom of press in the United States?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the problem? Oh, I mean, yeah, you guys can come and ask me, but ma'am, do you respect and love the Constitution of the United States? Not doing anything illegal. I'm just taking pictures and video from the sidewalk.
Sarge, over here, this way.
So, Captain, this is the gentleman I was telling you about before.
Are you the captain? Finally, we get to see somebody higher than a sergeant.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know. What's going on?
Are you, well, let me tell you, but what's going on with
Tell
you?
me what's going on.
Okay, but why are you?
Tell me what's going on.
Oh, okay, look, I'm gonna keep my hands out. I have no weapons. If you want to search me, that's fine, but I don't have any weapons or anything. Well, okay, search me. Search me. I'll let you search me.
You're not being taped.
That's fine. I'm not doing anything illegal. You can search me all you want.
So, Captain, he continues to go on private.
I have an appointment with Mr. Perry coming up. He knows me. Listen.
Yeah.
You need to. What's wrong?
What? I need to do what?
What's
your
wrong?
name? What's your
This guy won't. My name is Anselmo Morales.
Oh, okay.
All right. Since you're harassing me right now, you're not giving me. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys.
I'm talking to you.
He's just talking to you.
How am I
He talks to me behind my ear. Oh, you need to surround me. Okay. Then that's all you need to tell me. You need to surround me.
Okay.
A public photographer.
How am I harassing you? So your name is Anselmo Ramos.
Morales. My name is Anselmo Morales. No, I'm not Ramos.
Okay. And what's your date of birth?
Look.
When the police chief entered the scene,
the first featured incident follows Anselmo Morales outside a post office in Providence, Rhode Island. Holding only a camera, Morales documents activity from public areas when postal employees become uneasy and summon police. Officers arrive quickly, questioning his purpose and suggesting that the workers' fears justify intervention. Morales repeatedly explains that he is recording from public property and reminds officers that personal discomfort does not erase constitutional protections. The discussion remains mostly calm, yet the tension steadily increases as officers continue treating lawful photography with suspicion instead of identifying an actual legal violation. Morales references the First Amendment and Homeland Security guidance recognizing photography in publicly accessible areas, while officers focus on reassuring nervous employees rather than clarifying any crime. The exchange illustrates how misunderstanding constitutional rights can transform a peaceful encounter into a prolonged investigation.
I'm going to give you my information. I'm going to cooperate with you guys.
Okay, what's going on?
Because I don't want to go to jail because you look dangerous.
What's going on?
Do you have any ID on you?
I don't.
You don't have any ID on you?
No, but I want to speak. I want to speak
Go
to
ahead, speak.
He's in charge.
Okay, so what law have I broken?
You got the highest
What law? The highest cop is Mr. Perry.
right here.
And he knows who I am.
Here, I said. Right here.
Okay, tell me what's going on.
I'm just videotaping from public, sir.
Okay. Okay.
I feel in fear right now.
You fear?
Yes.
How do you think
Why?
these people feel when you're at these
They don't need to
Same
fear a
thing.
camera.
They don't
I
know
saved
that.
$1,000 to buy this camera.
They don't know why you're at film place.
They don't need to know. It's my own purpose. Do I go around asking people what are they doing? They approached me. And your captain is gonna be online. What's going on, Captain? Why are you doing this?
Doing what?
Why are you doing this?
I'm talking to you because I want to find out
What?
exactly what you're doing. Okay, people calling. Okay, so tell me, are we going to continue this? What's going on? How long are you going to do this?
I mean, do I have a time limit to take pictures from the sidewalk?
I just wondering how long you're going to do this.
Do you love and respect the Constitution of the United States?
I do.
So you should know we have freedom of press in the First Amendment of the United States.
How many
I feel
amendments do we have?
we're not talking about the other ones.
many
We're
amendments do we have?
talking about the First
You're talking
Amendment.
about the-
I'm practicing my First Amendment
How many
right.
amendments do we have?
I'm practicing the First Amendment right, and this is
That
very
part of the Bill of Rights?
this is very
Is that the
unprofessional.
Bill of Rights?
This is very
that-
unprofessional.
Is that the Bill of Rights?
This is very
How many amendments in the Bill of Rights?
This is very unprofessional.
Since you just brought up the Constitution, why don't we talk about the
Why are you harassing me?
I'm not.
Am I free to go or am I?
You're free to go.
Okay, I'm free to go. I'm free to go.
See you later. See you later in Sabo.
No, yeah, I'll look
You're
at
free to go.
look at this guy.
You're free to go.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
All right. You're free. Okay.
Okay, so I'm leaving.
Back today.
Wow. This guy just wow. Mr. Perry. This is what I'm talking about, Mr. Perry. This is what I'm talking about, Mr. Perry. Wow. This guy was clearly willing to take me in for no reason. Clearly willing to take me in for no reason. Wow. You're a tyrant. Hey, what's your name and badge number, sir? Can I get your name and badge number? 14. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right. I mean, we're going to continue this in Sabo
Why are you following me, man?
because you want my badge number.
That's all I wanted. But you don't have to Okay, man, but you have a gun and I want you to stay away from me.
Okay.
You have a gun. But look at this guy is following me.
You're the one that called me over.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. All I asked was for your badge number
Okay, you got it.
because I'm going to complain on you and you're harassing me. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you. And I'm going that way. I'm going that way. Are you going to allow me to go that way? Or are you going to harass me? Can I go that way? Can I go that way? May I go that way?
Hey, that's a great Thanksgiving.
I hope you have a great Thanksgiving too.
Too. I'm wishing you a great Thanksgiving.
Did you know that you work for the public? Why are you treating me like that, man? There's no reason for you to be like that.
Treating you any disrespect.
I just take off.
Come on.
Just take off. They're telling me to leave from the public property.
No, you said you'll leave.
I can do whatever I want, but you guys are harassing me, so I'm definitely leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Question for you.
Just a question?
Yeah.
Then ask me.
Okay.
But why do you have to? You see what I'm saying?
What?
I'm in fear of you, man.
Why?
I'm in fear of you. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. No, I don't want no questions. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm in fear of my life right now, guys. I'm in fear of my life. I'm getting the fuck out of here.
And with a voice trembling, not from weakness, but from injury, he declared he would sue, not just because he was harassed, but because a fundamental principle had been suffocated. The rights of a citizen cannot survive under forced silence. Faced with a citizen who knew his rights, someone they couldn't intimidate or trap, the officers were ultimately unable to cite a single legal basis for their actions.
Yeah, so I'm offended that I need their cards, please. You just offended the fuck out of me, accusing me of drinking. Okay. Everybody's drinking.
You're inciting. You're doing this for a reason. You're inciting people to do this. Okay?
Inciting?
As additional supervisors arrive, including a police captain, the atmosphere becomes noticeably more intimidating. Morales openly offers to let officers search him, emphasizing that he carries no weapons and simply wants the encounter to end peacefully. Despite his cooperation, he continues asking the same fundamental question: what law have I broken? Instead of citing a specific statute, officers repeatedly question his motives and ask why he continues filming. Morales insists that he is exercising freedom of the press and peacefully documenting public officials performing their duties. Feeling surrounded by multiple officers, he admits that he fears the situation could escalate despite believing he has done nothing illegal. The documentary highlights the emotional contrast between a citizen attempting to remain respectful and officials whose persistent questioning appears disconnected from any clearly identified offense, deepening concerns about unnecessary escalation.
What's this? Alright, so keep walking now.
Leave me alone.
Alright, you have an open container in your hand, right?
Okay.
You can't do that.
Open
Let me
container
see it.
of what?
Let me see it.
I'm okay.
Okay, so keep walking.
Exercise my Fourth
Keep walking.
Amendment.
Keep
I'm
walking.
taking pictures in public. Why are you bothering
You
me?
can take pictures. You can't have an open container.
Did you read your patrol guide?
You can't have an open container. Keep walking.
Of what? Open container of
Keep
what?
walking. What? Open the car. Have a good day.
It's not even daytime. It's nighttime. You know, there's millions of people drinking. Look, she got Starbucks. Look, that's an open container of drink. Who said anything about alcohol? You did. Did I say alcohol? I can't have a drink in public?
Not an alcoholic beverage.
Who said anything about alcohol?
What's that then?
Do you smell alcohol? Do you smell alcohol?
What's that then?
It's mine, my property.
I can see it's an alcoholic beverage.
For real? What kind of alcohol is it?
Alcohol.
Let me get your cards, please. You make contact with me, didn't even turn on your body camera. What's your command?
60th precinct.
Where's that at? Coney Island. You're a long way from home.
Get your ID.
For what crime?
Open container.
It's not a crime.
It's a summonsable offense.
It's a violation, not a crime.
Okay, it's a summonsable offense.
Okay. I don't drink alcohol. You know what this is? You know what these are? Read it. You want to read it? Do an investigation? I'll help you with your investigation.
Right.
Okay, what's that mean?
I don't know what that is, but...
I'm helping you with your investigation. What's that say?
What is it? Sir, can I help you?
I'm just taking pictures in public. I don't know why they're bothering me.
Okay. Alright, you alright?
I'm grateful. God is good.
Okay.
You know what these are, Sarge?
I have no idea.
Yeah, so I'm offended that I need their cards, please. You just offended the fuck out of me, accusing me of drinking. Everybody's drinking.
You're inciting. You're doing this for a reason. You're inciting people to do this. Okay?
Inciting?
Yes, that's what you're doing.
If you take,
you're walking up covering this, does not show me what it is. What is this? What is it?
It's mine.
What is it?
I don't answer
What is it?
questions.
It's yours. What? What is it?
It's mine.
What is it? This is my card.
It's a drink.
It's a drink of what?
Did you drink today?
See what you're doing? See?
Did you drink today?
No, I didn't drink tonight.
Okay. Do I have to answer questions?
You can also leave.
No, right? I'm not bothering nobody. I'm not impeding traffic. I'm not impeding business. I'm literally just enjoying myself.
Walk through, so you do have to move.
I'm watching police from public.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
I'm protected right now. I'm protected by all of y'all.
Yeah, you are.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Have a good day. Have a good night, rather.
There you go. You see?
Nighttime.
Yeah, 98. They should have been 98 from the beginning. Sarge, do I have your name, Sarge?
Yeah, Sergeant Wilborg, 5.
Did you give me one?
I gave you one.
Thank you. Thank you for protecting my rights, Sarge. I appreciate you. You want to see what it is? Don't stop telling me to keep walking, bro.
Sir, this is a lane, so you can walk back.
Yeah, look.
Do me a favor, just step up on the sidewalk, you walk in the bike lane.
I'm standing right next to you, sir.
I understand, but I wouldn't be here if you weren't. You know what I'm saying?
I'm recording you. I'm watching you guys. Yeah.
I'm recording
See, I was about to be nice and show you what was in my bag, but...
No, I mean, I don't mind moving your bag.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'm just watching police from public. That's it.
Yo, guys.
It's the Right to Record Act. Go 98. I love to hear that. Go 98. I love to hear that. It's a walk of shame. Alright, let's keep it moving. They didn't see what was in my bottle, so.
The conversation eventually reaches a turning point when officers acknowledge that Morales is free to leave. Although no charges are filed and no law is identified, Morales departs visibly shaken, expressing frustration over what he believes was an abuse of authority. He requests badge numbers, announces his intention to file complaints, and argues that constitutional rights lose meaning when citizens are pressured simply for exercising them. Even after being told he is free to go, he remains uneasy as an officer follows him to provide identification, interpreting the continued contact as intimidation. The documentary portrays the ending as evidence that lawful recording should never become grounds for prolonged confrontation. Rather than celebrating victory, Morales walks away believing that fear, not justice, ultimately ended the encounter, leaving viewers to question whether constitutional protections were fully respected throughout the incident.
Yeah, how are you? Can I get a CCRB complaint form? Thank you.
What's that green flag? What's that for?
That's the NYPD flag.
Oh, is that the thing?
Yeah. That's the one that's on the new cars?
That's the official.
That's their...
You can't video inside here.
Oh, I would have left if I got my complaint form.
CCRB form, but you can't record it here.
We'll be in, we'll be out.
We took that to federal court and won. The federal court has rules.
CCRB complaint report?
You guys know the Right to Record Act, right?
Not inside the command.
It's public.
But not inside the command.
This is a public area, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you the CCRB.
Thank you. The Right to Record Act says that we can record you from public, as long as we're not impeding your job. And look at all this public information you have here.
Sir?
Oh.
Can I get your card? Can I get your card, please?
I'm gonna give you my information.
Thank you. Appreciate it. At least there's no blue line flag.
And no sign, right? That's good.
Okay.
Good.
Alright, yeah, you can't record anymore. Hello? Sir, you can't record anymore.
Is that
Yeah,
because of the law or because you don't want us to?
it's a court order, alright?
Which court order is that?
All right, so
Which court order is
there's
that?
no court order saying we can't record.
There's a law that says we can, and I'm waiting for her business
Court
card.
order is a stay of the illegal action of you telling us not to record. So there's actually no law.
There's a law. There's actually a law that says we can record in public.
they changed
And your job, they didn't change it.
They're appealing it in the appellate court where the justices have to review it. So
You guys didn't win the appeal
The
yet.
court already ruled on it.
You know that, right?
Now,
It's being
you're gonna have to
appealed.
record outside.
We still have the right to record
You gotta
that.
record outside.
Are you asking me to leave? Can I get your card,
I'm asking
please?
you to leave.
Can I get your card, please?
I'm asking you to leave.
Thank you.
So in Southland?
Yes.
Is that how you said it?
So you don't care about the Right to Record Act, the law? I thought your job was to enforce laws. I guess not. Yeah. I guess you could put policies over law.
And the Constitution.
You know that's why we won in the first place, right? Because of the law?
Here you go.
Exactly.
Alright.
She don't want to answer that question, though.
Have a good night.
You too.
What happened? If I don't leave, you gonna arrest me?
You gotta leave.
I was asking you a question. I'm on my way out, but I'm asking you a question. If I don't leave, will you arrest me?
Yes.
Okay, for photography?
Alright.
You arrest me for photography?
You have to go out. You're recording right now.
I'm leaving. I'm asking you a question.
Okay. Good night.
Have a good night.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Southland.
Yes.
You tough with that policy behind you. She's tough with that policy behind her. You see that? And coward.
It's not an arrest. Right? That's enough.
That's true.
That's a civil rights violation.
Sure is. And I got on camera saying it too.
Yeah. And you said because I'm recording, she said you can't take pictures of it. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get those.
Enriquez. That's the phone number. And Sergeant Southwell.
636.
636. We should have 58 her.
She's mad 98er?
No, you know the 58 org?
Oh, 50-8.
50-8, yeah. 58. Alright, so this one was light.
She wanted us to leave the precinct, right?
She wanted us to leave. She actually
Is this still considered the precinct?
No. Inside, I guess.
They'll get us. Trust me when I tell you.
They did threaten to arrest PGA. I didn't ask, but I figured if I applied to you, it applied to you. For recording.
That's what I do with those business cards. I told them just to f*** out.
Business slips.
Look, you see they got the NYPD flag?
I never knew that.
Yeah. She's a bitch. And if you're watching this video, you're a bitch and you're a coward. You're a f***ing coward. Enforcing a policy over law, and you're a sergeant. Just cause she passed the test, you think she's all that? Fuck out of here.
They weren't sure.
We ran into at least 2 officers today that weren't sergeants that were way more professional
But
than
they
her.
think that they changed the law back. There's never been a law. There is no law that we can't record in there. It's a policy. They didn't change anything.
You see, I told her that and she ain't say shit. She stood
They're
quiet.
appealing it. That's all. Doesn't mean that it changed anything. Like you said,
We
Judge
still have the
Clark
right to
ruled
record act.
That's the right to record act. Gives us the right to record in there. And we have the Constitution that we don't need the right to record act, but it's just another layer of protection to make it really clear.
She's a dumb. She can't understand normal thinking.
She can't understand normal thinking. There's no reason we shouldn't be able to record that. No one's even in there. Like, they're not protecting anybody. It's just silly.
She can't understand normal thinking.
She can't understand normal thinking.
The documentary transitions to another encounter where a citizen peacefully records police activity while carrying a bottle. Officers immediately suspect it contains alcohol and begin questioning him about an alleged open container violation. The citizen calmly challenges their assumptions, repeatedly asking what evidence supports their claim and requesting business cards and badge numbers. He explains that possessing a drink does not automatically establish a violation and reminds officers that he has constitutional protections, including the right to remain silent and the right not to provide unnecessary information without legal justification. Throughout the exchange, he avoids aggressive behavior, instead insisting that officers clearly identify the offense they believe has occurred. The confrontation demonstrates how quickly routine suspicion can escalate when assumptions replace evidence, creating unnecessary conflict between law enforcement and citizens exercising protected rights in public spaces.
Get away.
I'm just start recording you. How about that?
I don't care. Get away. Go walk your dog. I'm not bothering you. You're bothering me.
You're approaching me hostilely now.
Okay then, I can walk freely.
Yeah.
Go away. Go about your business.
You go about your business, and I'll stay here and go about mine.
Okay.
Are you going to threaten me again with a?
If you come at me like that, yes.
I haven't come after. I asked you a question.
I don't have to answer any questions, and I don't know who you are.
You can't threaten me with pepper.
I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are, so I don't know what you're gonna do.
You are either.
I don't know who you are.
No, nor do I know who you are.
So how do I know you're not gonna attack me?
Because I walked by you twice peacefully already. Now I want to know why you're.
I was more interested in your little doggy than you.
Film my little dog walk right by your leg peacefully.
I'm doing it right now. Hi, doggy. What is your name, doggy?
Dogs don't speak, so.
Are you better than your owner?
I'm sorry?
I'm talking to the doggy. Are you better than your owner? Yes, you are.
So you're clearly trying to antagonize me, and it's unclear why you're filming a church and people who walk by it. And in it, you're wearing a disguise of a mask and sunglasses and a hat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
You got that right.
About your business.
You got that right. You got that right, sir.
So stand here.
Zoom in all you want, okay? No problem.
You're filming people.
Don't get close to me, please. I will do what I want. You'll do what you want. How about that? I'm going to do what I want. You'll do what you want.
Okay.
How's that work?
Well, it depends. As long as we don't violate each other's rights, I think that's okay.
Who's trying to violate your rights? Nobody's trying to violate your rights.
You stop following?
I'm not following you. Yeah, what's wrong?
No, as a matter of fact, we're going to make a report on him. Yeah, I think you should, because he's actually been confrontational and pulled bear.
Oh my gosh. Liar.
Other people.
Liar.
Oh, okay.
Liar.
Call the police. Oh, it's on film. You just said it to you.
Liar.
I'm
You should go and back to your day. Doggy, take your owner away.
Police get here. Bear. He may
focus too much on who we envision or think that person is.
No.
Will happen.
Address.
So persons are who you really are, to you really get, to you really take the time to get. That same principle works with Jesus. Because Jesus will only remain talking to us. Instead of trying to make Jesus a fantasy of what we want him to be, we're to deepen our relationship with the Lord, have that personal relationship. It is a reality, a fantasy of who he really is.
Okay, let me see. Lavender shirt, printed t-shirt. He looks for cat t-shirt.
White shoes. Gray hat.
Yeah.
And I also describe this individual right here. Describe this one. He's recording me. Describe this one too. This individual right here with the tattoos.
I didn't pull a weapon on you.
There's no weapons here.
We'll see.
There's no weapons here, sir.
He's still here.
Should I run away? Should I leave? Do you guys want me to leave? Nice. Pick it up.
This is my neighborhood. Where do you live?
In the neighborhood.
You live in the neighborhood?
Yes, sir.
Where do you live?
I won't tell you.
You're
street?
Are you gonna visit me?
No, I just want you to, this is my neighborhood, so I'm concerned that you're actually out here doing this.
Well, I'm not concerned that you...
Street over.
I want to say thank you for picking up. Thank you for picking up the feces.
Is that right?
That's right, sir.
I'm glad you're pleased here.
Yes, sir. It's a great citizen. He picked up after the dog. This one. Let it be an example for everybody else. Looking out for the community. Great job, man. Great job. Doggy, how you doing, doggy? You're handsome. I like you. Are you friendly? Yeah? You want to say hi to me? I want to say hi to you. Any idea what time the cops are coming? Did they say? They didn't tell you? So I'm getting hungry. I should go and get a bite and then come back.